Novanew 2045. Empty the gel and powder contents in that order into a bowl. Stir both contents together briskly with a spatula for about 30 seconds, forming a smooth paste. Apply the mask upwards over the desired area without delay, as it will start to set 4 minutes after the mixture is blended. Lips and eyes may be covered as well. Leave the mask on from 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the mask downwards and in one piece. Novanew 2045 is a Casmara mask made from marine algae extract with a high content in moisturizing substances, restoring the natural water balance of the skin.